was a big sand drag racer in
Yeah.
Milan Dragway, and and we raced other places, and I just remember that.
Yeah.
So what's your name?
Jimmy Renero.
What's up? What? What happened? He's emotional about the truck. It's been a hell of a long build.
Yeah?
It's sat in the barn for 40 years.
I thought I blew the engine. I only heard it. That's all I did.
You didn't blow it. You had to fix it. What was wrong with it?
Cylinder 7.
So
Get a nitrous
cracked.
shot on it.
Yeah.
Blew the cylinder out. I yanked the motor out after it sat for 40 years. I put it back together. We took it out a couple times, made some passes, bought some different tires, did some changes over the last 3 years. Now I'm competing in sand drags up at Gravel-Rama, Cleves, Ohio.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going for their 50th. We're going.
Well, it's fantastic. In your dad's car, your truck.
Yeah, this is my grandfather's.
Grandfather. Okay,
Yep.
sorry. Wow.
No problem.
That's exciting. You know, and I recognize this because, you know, my dad raced at Milan Sand Drags, went there all the time. But
I went there too.
We raced to other places, and I'm pretty good at remembering. That name has been on this forever, hasn't it?
I went to Silver Lake Sand Drags there too, and all that.
How long's the name been on the truck?
Since I put it together.
Yeah. So when was that?
74.
Yeah.
No, before that.
71.
71 I started. Jimmy was about your size and about 12 years old, and I had him help me do the engine on it.
Okay. So 71, the name became the nasty one.
Well, I'm pretty good at remembering that stuff, and I knew something that I knew this.
Well, I had a poem.
Yeah.
Says it right here on the shirt. Jeep owners said Broncos don't run, so he named it the nasty one.
Yeah, that's right. I get that.
That's what it is.
I get that.
It's a small block Ford.
And this orange makes me feel the same way because what my dad raced was a Jeep Scrambler Renegade Orange.
Yeah. This is a 74 Corvette.
Is it? Okay.
Orange.
And so you're running a 302.
Yep.
Right?
306 inches.
You got a full roll cage in there.
Yep.
And how many wins did you say you had over your history?
55 events.
Wow, that's great.
47 first place.
47. So do you still, you know, in my house, you go into my garage, and I got all my dad's trophies since he passed away. I can't get rid of them because I remember. Do you got all those trophies?
I did, but I had a woman that was throwing the out of them away.
So the ones we've recovered, I dug them out. I got to polish them. But I've got all the articles, I've got all the history, and I got the man himself that built the truck. So
right.
I got all I need.
Well, you know what you need to do next, and this is what I'm working on for my dad, is the Michigan Motorsports Hall of Fame.
Okay.
And you can fill out paperwork and provide pictures of trophies and stuff and get them named in the Hall of Fame.
Wow.
Okay. This man needs to be named in the Hall of Fame.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. I would love to put the truck in the Hall of Fame and him too.
Yeah, you need to do that. Well, it was great talking to you guys. Have a great day out here and enjoy racing. And good luck.
Yeah,
go win some more trophies.
Wow.